to get started, you want to arrange your threads in order on the board. So you want two colours, and one section at one side should be one colour and one section at the other side should be the other colour. So I'm going to be working from left to right with this pattern, but I think if you were left-handed you could work from right to left if you preferred. I don't think it really matters, but you'll always work the same direction all the way down for this. So to begin with, I'm going to take the colours on the right hand side and I'm going to knot over all of those with each one of these threads. So taking the one that's closest to the other colour and leaving these out of the way for now, I'm going to do my first row by knotting this one in forward knots all the way over these colours. So once you've knotted over all the colours on the right hand side with one of the threads from the left hand side, you can drop this thread and you won't be knotting it again for your second row. Each time with each row you're only going to knot over these colours. So I want to take the next thread and then I want to repeat what I did with this one. I'll just do forward knots over these threads. And again, once I've done this one, I'm going to drop this thread and I'm going to do the same thing with the next thread at this side. And I'm going to keep repeating this until I've done all these threads. So each time you drop this side and don't knot over these ones, you're just knotting over the centre ones with forward knots every time. So once you've knotted all your colours from the left, they should now switch position and be on the right, and the ones that were on the right should be on the left. So now you're going to do the exact same thing that you did in your first section for your second section, but this time the only difference will be the colour. So you're just going to be switching colours again to put them back in the original position. And this is the way that you want to knot the whole way down until you get the bracelet as long as you want it to be. So again, taking your first colour on the right, you want to take the first thread next to that and you want to knot in forward knots. And then once you've done your first line, you want to drop that thread, and again do the same thing with the rest of the threads at this side. So once you've done your second section, it should look like this. So now you've put your colours back into the original order. So you want to do what you did for your first section with this colour and bring this colour over these ones. And just keep doing this all the way down as many times as you want to get the bracelet as long as you want it to be. And as you're going along, if you need to adjust things, you can just ease them into position with your fingertips. And you should end up with something that looks like this. So I've done a braided tie-on at each end for fastening on the bracelet. And that is your completed friendship bracelet.